So here I've lifted my 1996 Mazda B3000. It's about a 4-inch in the front and a 2.5 in the back. Also put some wheel spacers on it to make it look less wobbly on the road. So it sticks out 2 inches, the 2-inch spacers. I'll just show you quickly how I did the lift. It's homemade. It's a little bit tricky. So what I did was I put these spacers in there like that, and then I had to extend my shock absorber because it was too short to reach the original position. And yeah, I just put the spacers in there like that, and then put a bolt through the top, right through it, and then secured it on the bottom so the shock doesn't vibrate off of there. And once I put the lift in, it was the camber was all thrown off along with the alignment. So to fix the camber issue, I made up some brackets right here, and along with the other side. I think these are called wishbone suspension. They cross each other there. So before, when I lifted up when I put the 4-inch lift on it, the wishbone suspension was on a bad angle, so then the strut wasn't perfectly perpendicular to the ground. So I had to put these spacers in, and then I had to, obviously the alignment was off, so I had to loosen this bolt and that bolt, thread the rod, thread that sleeve on the rod, and I put a level on the one wheel and measured across with a tape measure to the other wheel to make it perfectly aligned. So yeah. And for the back, for the lift, I put some square channel between the leaf spring and the axle, and then I bought some threaded rod because my U bolts weren't big enough anymore. So I bought some thread rod, bent it, and then yeah, just used the original plate on the top. I did the same with both sides. So square channel, I think it's 2-inch square channel, 2.5 inch or something like that. So there's my lift. Hope you enjoy the video.